Welcome to White Horse Manpower Consultancy Private Limited. We currently have the following jobs in US healthcare with various companies. IT job openings across India. Vertical bar, apply now. Looking for a career in IT, development, testing, SAP, or database administration? We have multiple job openings for experienced professionals across Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. Whether you specialize in software development, automation testing, cloud technologies, database management, or SAP consulting, we have exciting opportunities for you. Job openings available. IT infrastructure and management. MIM, Major Incident Management and Release Management, handle critical IT incidents and ensure smooth release processes. B. Networking engineers manage enterprise network setups, security, and troubleshooting. C. Windows admin and VMware admin oversee server configurations, virtualization, and IT infrastructure management. D. ITIL experts implement best practices for IT service management and process optimization. Software development. A. Java plus Angular full stack developer. Work on enterprise-level applications using Java and Angular frameworks. B. .NET plus Angular full stack developer. Develop robust applications using .NET Core and Angular. C. ReactJS plus Java .NET developer. Build dynamic web applications with ReactJS and backend technologies. D. Node.js developer. Develop scalable backend services with Node.js and JavaScript. Automation testing and quality assurance. A. Selenium automation testing. Develop and execute automated test scripts for web applications. B. TOSCA automation testing. Perform scriptless test automation for enterprise applications. C. ETL testing plus Python. Validate and automate data pipelines using Python and ETL frameworks. D. BDD and Cucumber testing. Implement behavior-driven testing for high-quality software delivery. Database development and administration. A. PLSQL developers design, develop, and optimize database queries and stored procedures. B. Oracle PLSQL developers work on Oracle databases, query optimizations, and performance tuning. C. MSSQLDBA manage and maintain Microsoft SQL databases, performance tuning, and security. SAP and ERP roles. A. SAP ABAP, HANA and Web Dynpro develop SAP applications using ABAP and AN technologies. B. SAPPPQM, FICO, CPI, PI, GRC implement and support various SAP modules for business operations. C. SAP API and integration experts develop and manage API integrations within SAP environments. D. SuccessFactors consultant manage HR solutions using SAP SuccessFactors. E. Oracle EBS, SCM consultant support and enhance Oracle supply chain management SCM solutions. Content and technical writing. A. Technical and content writers create engaging documentation, white papers, and technical guides. Locations: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Pan India. Shift: rotational shift vertical bar immediate joining. Salary: competitive, based on experience. Apply now. Send your resume. Visit company website for more details. Subscribe for more job updates. Like, share and comment if you are looking for a job or know someone who is.